this Canoe of people that have lived here for generations and have taken care of this land, and I'm so honored and grateful. Wow, this land has been taken care of, and how do we do that going forward, and how do we do that in our work as educators, and instill that in our students. So really,
I think it would still keep on going, but so you can incorporate some other stuff. You can make a video, a commercial about it as well, right?
And you could encourage the kids to participate in the CDC's Child Development Center's Silly Boat Regatta.
For us, our learning intentions for you is we want it to be as interactive as possible. We want to just warm up your brains for September, but also provide you with things that you can use right away and hit the ground running.
It's my favorite part. That's great! So we're going to give you a few minutes. At the back of each of the rows here are some loose parts. And what we would like you to do is using your little plate, and if you don't have one at your table, there's lots around, so please help yourself. But I'd like you to create a symbol that represents you.